When I first started my business, I actually messed up my own LLC application. I missed one tiny step. The state kicked the whole thing back. Honestly, it was just a massive headache. That's when I ended up using Tailor Brands. I've been using them for over a year now, and they basically just took the entire legal side of things off my plate. They do offer a ton of other tools like bookkeeping and marketing, but for this video, I really just want to focus on their LLC formation service, since that's what I have the most hands-on experience with. So today, I'm going to break down exactly what they offer, what it actually costs, how they stack up against competition, and you can see if it's worth it for your own setup. Now, like I mentioned, I came across Tailor Brands when I was having a hard time, let's say, starting my business about a year ago. They've actually been around since 2015 though, and they give new businesses everything that they need to launch a successful business all in one place. They provide tools to set up, manage, and grow your business by signing up for a yearly subscription or by grabbing individual services as you need them. So Tailor Brands specializes in LLCs, or limited liability companies. They're the only business structure they can get started for you right now, meaning if you had a different business structure in mind, like a corporation, you'll have to use a different service. But truly, an LLC is one of the simplest and most flexible business options out there, so starting one gives you some valuable legal protections and a lot of room to grow. Having thrown all that out there, let's take a look at what they offer. The Light plan is the cheapest option for LLC registration because it's, well, free actually. Now, this is a bare bones thing. Like, most of the work is DIY. Now, while the plan costs $0, you will still be responsible for your state fees. Along with getting your LLC started, you get a trial of their invoicing and bookkeeping software and access to their business coaching program. But processing time is a little longer for that route, just keep it in mind. One step up from there is the Essential plan for just under $200 a year, plus the state fees. Processing is a lot quicker, like within one business day, along with compliance services to make sure you're meeting all your state-specific legal requirements. So like the Essential plan gets your LLC running and then tools to keep it running. But the plan that gives you the most value because of all the services it offers is the Elite plan. That's about $250 a year. It comes with everything we've talked about already, plus a business website builder for a year, along with 8 logos, a digital business card, and use of their business card design tool. You also get to use their handy website builder for a year and a social media post generator, which is great for people who are looking for a uniform aesthetic across all their social media platforms. You'll also get help with establishing an operating agreement too, which is not just helpful in an LLC, but actually required in some states. I personally went with the Elite plan. It gave me all the help I needed to get running. Within a week, I was able to build my brand identity with a logo, build a website, and my LLC application was filed with the state. Now, these are all things you can do separately or on your own. There are a lot of resources out there, but if you want to launch your business as a complete uniform package that looks professional, it is absolutely worth the investment. Now, there are some services that are available as a one-time fee, like getting an employer identification number, or EIN, and a registered agent. The EIN, by the way, that's like a business tax number. It's a requirement to have one in an LLC, and you can get one from the IRS directly, or Tailor Brands can handle it for you for a one-time fee of $99. Another thing you'll need is a registered agent. The registered agent can be an individual or company who accepts all legal communication between your business and the state. Depending on your state, you may be able to appoint yourself to do it, but there are some privacy issues that can come up with doing that. To have Tailor Brands do this for you, the cost is $199 a year. And if you want to try out Tailor Brands for yourself, then be sure to check them out by using the affiliate link in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and we might earn a small commission. It just really helps out the channel. And sometimes our links can actually get you access to special deals that you won't find by going directly through their website.
Now, once the paperwork is filed and you officially have your LLC, there's still one hurdle every new owner hits almost immediately: the banking trap. See, an LLC service gets your business legal, but you still need a way to actually, operate. And if you're like me, running an agency, working with a remote team, paying for software in different currencies, traditional banks can feel like a ball and chain. You get hit with high FX fees, forced conversions, a whole mountain of manual reconciliation every single month. That's exactly why I use AirWallex, who is actually the sponsor of today's video. AirWallex is the global payments and financial platform that makes a business truly functional in a digital-first and borderless world. Instead of waiting weeks to visit a physical branch, you can open a multi-currency business account in minutes. You get local bank details in over 20 countries, covering the US, the UK, a lot of Europe, tons more. Now, this is huge because it allows your overseas clients to pay you in their own currency while you receive it like a local business. Essentially, you can collect, hold, convert, and spend money only when you need to at interbank rates without those massive border taxes that traditional banks hide in their exchange rates and transaction fees. And from there, managing your LLC's finances is just as seamless. You can use AirWallex to accept payments, make international transfers, manage company spend, bill customers, and much more, all in one unified platform. You can even issue a specific virtual corporate card for ads, or another one for travel, a separate one for software like Slack or Canva. These cards let you pay global expenses directly from your AirWallex multi-currency balances, which means the real advantage here is you're skipping the massive 3% hidden tax on international fees and transaction fees. You also get total control with custom limits per card, and you can freeze or cancel them in one click. Every single transaction then auto flows into their built-in expense management, matching receipts and approvals so your books stay clean without the manual legwork. And what really helps is that it integrates directly with accounting tools like Xero, NetSuite, and QuickBooks.
Just like using a professional service keeps the legal side organized, a smart digital banking solution like AirWallex handles the financial heavy lifting, so you aren't wrestling with spreadsheets in the middle of the night.
It's a massive help for staying tax compliant from day one, which is usually the biggest headache when you're just starting out. And if you want a simpler, all-in-one platform to handle your LLC's finances, rather than juggling multiple tools for business accounts, for payments, spending, and billing, I'll leave a link below with AirWallex's current best offer. And by the way, they don't charge a monthly fee at all to get started.
Now, there are a lot of options out there when it comes to registering your company. Like, I know folks who have used a few of them in the past, so let's look at how they compare. If you want a free registration option where you'll only cover state fees, then check out Busy, Swift Filings, or Zen Business. They all offer a free registration plan. But some of their more inclusive plans end up being pricier than Tailor Brands. But besides that, if you're looking for help with your branding as well, Tailor Brands offers a lot of really handy features that the other sites either don't have at all or just don't have a ton to offer there. And the Tailor Brands website is easy to use, it's transparent with their services and prices. Like I used the logo designer to make one for my business, and all you need to start with really is just a name. They'll give you some basic design options for a logo and brand image within a few hours. Likely quicker if you're not picky like me. If business formation is what you're looking for, it is better to go for the elite or essential plans. Those just give you everything you need for a new business in like a couple of clicks. I was a total noob to the world of LLCs when I first got started, but as someone who tried to go through the steps alone and ended up struggling, it really is worth it for the help. But they're not perfect. It would be more convenient if they offered a DBA, doing business as. It can sometimes come with the territory, so it would be nice if they added that down the road. The site itself actually has an AI in it, so the program assesses what your business needs by asking questions to guide you to a more tailored plan. Their customer service mostly is just a chatbot. Unfortunately, it doesn't have all the answers, or at least the answers to questions I had. But they do have a pretty thorough help section, and you can email them and call them for help too. You're not totally left hanging here. Now, I got the elite plan for the branding tools and the business formation services, but the EIN and registered agent I took care of on my own just to save on the extra fees. Like, I wanted to get my business and online presence set up as quickly as I could, and Tailor Brands offered an affordable way to do that. So I recommend Tailor Brands to anyone who wants to start an LLC and needs some help in the process. From incorporation to brand identity and setting up an online site that looks professional in a fraction of the time. Like, for convenience and quickness and seamless startup process where all you need to start is just a business name, Tailor Brands has got your back on that. But that's about all for this video. I really hope you found it helpful, and if you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more reviews just like this. And as a reminder, if you want to check out Tailor Brands for yourself, be sure to use the affiliate link to help you get started. Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, you can reach out using the email in the description below. Now, as always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts, so go ahead and leave any questions or comments down below, and I'll try to get back to them as fast as I can. Thank you so much for watching, take care, and I will see you in the next one.